Assalamualaikum, my name is Safiullah and I am here from the platform of Progressive Real Estate and Builders, Bahria Town Karachi. Today we are standing on 250 square yard villa of Precinct 1. This is our model villa and we'll give you a virtual tour of this villa. So you would be able to know that how it looks like. Let's go. If you want to get same sort of villa like 250 square yard, and even if you are interested in 125 square yard category, 500 square yard category or 1000 square yard category, you can contact on the below numbers. We have different payment plans with your feasibility. Thank you so much.